And now, a resource for those struggling with thoughts of suicide is expanding ways people can reach out to them for help. The Arkansas Crisis Center says they helped over 14,000 people just last year.
And with suicide, the second leading cause of death for kids as young as 10 years old, they're confident the new text feature on the National Suicide Prevention Hotline will save even more lives in Arkansas, because now Arkansans are guaranteed to reach someone local the next time they feel the need to text 988. KNWA's Michaela Rodriguez joins us in studio, and you discovered connecting with someone local could be a big benefit to callers, especially the younger generation.
Well, Sonia, Doug, people have the option to text a national backup hotline if they don't want to make that call. But the ACC says that's about to change starting February 11th.
It's kind of like 911, but for mental health crises.
Over at the Arkansas Crisis Center, dialing 988 puts you in touch with a specialist that talks you through those sensitive conversations.
We have 18 people on our team, and it's 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, holidays, 0 breaks.
But what board president Joshua Gonzalez feels most excited about is that callers can now simply text the hotline and receive responses from localized specialists who can put you in contact with local resources.
I think it's a really great way for someone to still get out everything they need to, and then have the support they need through that without having the fear of making that call and having to say it out loud.
Allison Shimon is a caller specialist with the ACC, knowing the importance of tone when having these conversations.
I think what you have to be really careful with is your tone and what the words you're saying and how they can be perceived on the other end.
The center specialists go through a lot of training to properly talk through these text conversations, but Shimon shares new feelings do come with this development, like anxiousness.
It's just that pending, waiting for the message, hoping everyone's okay, trying to make sure you're doing everything you can for that caller.
She says that the center specialist will have a time frame where they will reach out again during these conversations if they don't hear back from the individual, to ensure they are supporting callers in the best way they can. And with hotline text to chat localized, Gonzalez says that increases the ability for them to do their due diligence.
We're a local agency. We know our underserved populations in Arkansas. We know all the uniqueness that people in another state aren't going to know, and that's why this is such a big deal.
The Arkansas Crisis Center is now looking to teachers, businesses, and other organizations to spread the word about the text-to-chat launch so people struggling can get the help they need. If you are someone who is struggling with mental health or suicidal thoughts, pick up the phone and call 988. Reporting from studio, Michaela Rodriguez, KNWA Northwest Arkansas News.